Hi, my name is Baltazar Duarte, and this is my bike check. Well, starting off, we'll be talking about my volume frame, the Brock Rayford. Brock Rayford frame is splattered, white and black. And then we got the forks. The forks are Stevie Churchill forks, the E-clad ones. And then moving up here, we got the Stevie Churchill Federal bars. Hold up good, you know, big falls.
Oh, we broke it.
Then we got the Colt V2 stem with, I don't know what kind of top load that is. It's a top load. Then we got these little headset things, whatever these are. I don't know what they are. We got the We the People seat, real comfy, you know. We wanted fat and take big falls. We have a little zipper in the back so you can put like your tool or something. Doesn't hurt your butt when you fall. We got Primo cranks. These weird looking ones. I don't know the name of them, but hold up good, strong. And we got the Primo JJ pedals. Really good, super grippy. Foot will never come off if you don't want it to. Next we got Primo chain, half length. Coming down to the sprocket. The sprocket, the stranger one. You can see right here a little, but no matter, not a big deal. Stranger sprocket. Let's see what we got here. Grips. I had the stranger ones from Quan, but I switched those and now I got these United because the Quan ripped. Moving to the wheels. Well, the tires, I have the Colt tires. You know, the little Vans one. Shitter, squeak as fuck. Getting nice ass wall ride. We do have, we're laced to a, well, my rim is a stranger rim. Strong as fuck, the extra large. Two, we have a Primo Remix free coaster. Where's the Remix? There's Remix. I was gonna get the NFL F4, something like that of Primo for my front hub, but I got the stranger one instead. Where's the stranger motherfucker? There it is, the stranger one. Pretty dope as fuck. And I have 4 plastic Primo pegs, which is like the gold inside. Dope as fuck. That's my bike check. Well, thank you for watching my bike check today, and please like and subscribe for more, and leave in the comments for any questions or suggestions of my next video, anything. Thanks.